This glam look is alone enough for any occasion and will go with any dress. Hey guys, this is Chandni, so let's begin. First, prepping the face and lips are necessary to avoid cakey makeup. Then I am using a pore filling primer from Lakme Absolute only in my T-zone where the pores are bigger. For masking my dark circles and pigmentations, I am using a peach corrector from Sugar Cosmetics. I am happy applying with my fingers. These are the best tools, but you can use a brush too. To set that, I am lightly dusting K-Beauty loose powder in shade Vanilla. For foundation, I have mixed two foundations, one from Lakme, another from Maybelline, and dotting first onto my skin and then spraying a setting spray onto my damp beauty blender. After that, dabbing softly into my skin. This setting spray step will make the makeup stay longer and it will look less cakey. Both the foundations are my favorite. Both of them give a proper matte finish. And this is best for my oily skin. Then comes the concealing part, using one from Lakme Absolute in the corner of eyes only. Those parts are the darkest and on my lids. Then blending again with my fingers. To soak up extra makeup that sits on the skin and is not necessary, I am using a toilet paper. To cream contour, dark concealers do a great job. They easily blend and are less oily. I am using a kabuki brush to blend it in the areas I want the shadow to be. For the forehead, it should be blended towards the hairline. And also under the chin. To set the face, I am again using bit loose powder. After brushing my eyebrows, I am using a brown eyebrow pencil. It gives a lighter appearance to the eyebrows, which are already very bushy. I am using it only in the sparse areas and brushing them again. For eye makeup, I am using a brown kajal onto my lids. It need not to be perfect, we will smudge it anyway. The palette I'll be using today is from Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette, and I'm using a dark cool tone brown eyeshadow with a pencil brush to smudge it. I'm smudging it up to the half of my lids. Then with a shader brush, I'm just placing this orangish brown eyeshadow above it. And then smudging it with a clean blending brush and making sure there are no harsh edges. Then to tightline, I am using the same dark brown kajal. After that, repeating the same process, the dark brown eyeshadow and then the orangey brown eyeshadow. To highlight the inner corners and brow bone, I am taking a white matte eyeshadow. Then, after curling my eyelashes, I am using a mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. It's a lengthening one. Then after trying, I am curling my lashes again. Then after that, attaching my favorite eyelashes called Royal from Swiss Beauty and completing the eye look. After that, for further definition of face, I am using a powder contour from Cuffs and Lashes, but using the least amount possible as the cream contour did the maximum work. For blush, I am mixing these two shades. It's a Cuffs and Lashes blush palette. One shade is close to brown in this too. And also in my bridge of the nose and chin area for a lively look. Then to set the face, I am not directly applying the setting spray but applying it on the damp beauty blender, then softly bouncing it against my skin. I'm using the highlighter after setting spray as the setting spray gives it an extra pop. And I'm using it onto the highest points of my face and also in the center of chin, and do not forget the bridge of the nose and Cupid's bow. For lining the lips, I am using the same brown eyebrow pencil. I don't know how many of you know this trick, but this is a great money saver trick as you don't have to buy a lip liner. After lining the lips, shade the corners like this and smudge it with a brush or fingers or maybe a Q-tip. Then I'm applying a light, more pinkish brown shade of lipstick, mainly focusing in the middle of my lips, and then again using the same brush to blend the edges. It looks great on its own, but if you want, you can apply a transparent gloss like I'm applying. This one's from Miss Clear. And remember to focus in the centers. We don't want the gloss to be dripping. And this is the look with some pearl and lace earrings and a high bun. You can pair it with any look. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please consider to like, share and comment, and also subscribe. Bye.